You got kids?
I don't. But
Oh, so you're single.
I am.
You know, baby, I like your eyes and stuff, you know?
And thank you.
Your smile, your blonde hair, you know. Ooh.
You remind me too much of my ex-boyfriend.
For real?
Yes.
Nah, he's a bum.
Yeah.
He's a bum. You see the word you use? Ex. He lost a treasure, darling.
He did it to himself, but
Deserve better.
well, thank you.
I'm gonna follow you real quick, you know? I like you.
Sure, I'll follow you back too.
Her voice though.
You think that's a quarter of an inch?
Huh? Nah, that's perfect.
Good. Okay.
Wanna go again?
MVPing. Yeah, sure. So
You coming on big up in on a field time now, posting this team and stab up the screen. Everybody a follow. You gotta show me now follow back on your G-string them when you not watch. Cause see, I bet you just go on allow me in a car. You see me in one moment and you come and start try breaking moment. You're a mad girl in a dog.
I'm sorry. One more time.
What's your favorite song?
Oh, my favorite song. Probably I Love You, I'm Sorry.
I Love You, I'm Sorry.
Yeah.
That's one of my favorite songs too.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it?
Very good.
Sing it.
Can we sing it together?
Sing it all by yourself.
Okay, start it, baby.
No, you start it.
No, you started. I bet you have a beautiful voice.
No.
My voice is a bit old.
Sure. I'm guessing you just don't know the song, do you?
No, I know the song.
Uh-huh.
Man, them poor road dog.
Times 3, you guys. Let's see what we can push.
But they don't come from them creations, I know.
2 or 3. Thank you.
Asked is said when we went from friends this.
Anything
What are you
else?
talking to?
Just my chat. Outdoor pool. I went into
The bingo. Tomorrow, that's a mega, and then we go.
Thank you guys for the follows.
X fight seven.
And then, mommy, for say my.
What kind of content do you make?
Cap, I do Dragga.
Oh, cool.
It's a cultural thing.
Sorry?
It's a cultural thing in my country where I was born, Jamaica.
Yeah, that's so cool.
In Jamaica, we drag a lot. Say Mrs. Never Cap.
Mrs. Never Again.
Never Cap.
Never Cap. Mrs. Never Cap. Okay.
That's you.
Where do you live right now?
I'm in Pennsylvania.
Okay, cool.
I wish I could see you in person, you know? Someday.
Someday.
Can you do this for me?
Do what?
No, it's not showing. Man, then get down. At all.
Okay. Nice
I'm
to
gonna
meet
hit you
you.
up, okay, baby?
Okay, bye.
Take care.